In this video, we are going to see how to add custom fonts in Capcut Video Editor. So, in Capcut Video Editor, there are n number of fonts available, but we need to add some custom fonts which we like. So, for that, I am adding some sample text, and after that, selecting the font. In system font, there are fonts available, but I am going to install the Metalsmith font. For that, step 1 is download any font. I am going to download the Metalsmith font. For that, you need to open new Google tab and search like custom fonts free download. So we will get a multiple response. I am going with and fontspace.com. So in this, I am going to download the Metalsmith font. Click on download. Once the download has been completed, you can extract the file and install the font. Now the step 1 is completed, and I'm going to install the font. So there are two variations available. I'm going to install both the variations. Open the font and install it, and then second, open the font and install. The new font installation has been completed. Step 2 completed. Now step 3. I have already opened the Capcut Video Editor. I am closing and open again. This is the process to get an updated font in Video Editor. And step 4 is add text and select Metalsmith font from system font. I have already added the text. Now I am going to select the font. Here you can see the Metalsmith font has been reflected our Capcut Video Editor. So I am going with the second variation. Yeah, so the custom font has been added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.